Hello all. So this session is exclusive, discussing about how the program is going to be. So this particular ethics classes which we are going to start from December 14th, daily 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and in this particular sessions we are going to provide you 3 free classes. So 100% these ethics classes will be helpful to you. Overall the sessions will be 40 sessions, so at a stretch the sessions will be happening which will be very useful for you. And today I will be discussing about the syllabus of the ethics. So number one, this paper will include questions how it is there in the UPSC notification. As it is, I copied and pasted here, I am telling you. So but how our approach should be is very important. To test the candidate's attitude and approach to issues related to integrity, probity, compassion, honesty, truthfulness. So from the questions, the UPSC want to judge what type of attitude, what type of mindset the aspirant is having. So the question paper will be very much tricky. The same thing which happened in 2022 question paper also. So ethics and human interface, essence, determinants of ethics, consequence of ethics in human actions, dimensions of how many dimensions of ethics are there, ethics in private, ethics in public, human values, what are the great leaders, who are the great leaders, who are the great reformers, great administrators like Ashok Kemka, role of family, role of society, role of educational institutions. So various dimensions it is about. It is about various dimensions. Attitude, content, structure, functions, what type of attitude, how many varieties of attitude, aptitude, attitude is different, aptitude is different, foundational values of civil services, emotional intelligence, how emotional intelligence will be helpful, contribution of moral thinkers and philosophers from India and the world, public service values and ethics in public administration, probity in governance, case studies, related issues. So here it's all about, there will be, I am telling you, if you follow the syllabus also, I am sure that the questions will be out of the box. So our thought process, our thinking should be out of the box. For example, if there is a question with respect to honesty and probity, both are the same meaning, but probity is, if you do this honesty thing, you are going to affect, someone is going to impact you, someone near is going to have negative. If you are going to be strong, very courageously doing honesty thing is called as probity. But still, if you are strong, it is called as probity. Honesty means just being honesty. But probity is something more than the honesty. In that way, the meanings we have to understand. In that way, we have to understand the differences also. So in detail with examples, we have to prove. Hypothetical examples. So this is called as honesty, this is called as probity. In that way, we have to understand the topic. So here in this particular session of our ethics classes, the words, the meanings, the terminology will be explained in very lucid way with some ethical examples, hypothetical examples, real-time examples, bureaucratic examples, national leaders examples. In this way, you will be understanding properly how to read ethics and how to not to read the ethics in this particular ethics program which is going to start from December 14th. So what would be my strategy? So how? I have 4 strategies to deal with this particular ethics. Strategy number 1, meanings. I will focus more on the words. Compassion, sympathy, empathy, lot of difference is there between the 3 words. By layman, we will think that they are synonymous, but they are not synonymous. First, we have to understand the meanings of the word. What is attitude? What is aptitude? So the meanings we have to decode very carefully. Strategy number 2, connect your life with terms, your own life. My life I have to connect with aptitude. For example, a traffic constable is there. I am not wearing a helmet. So there a traffic constable is standing and he is ready to take challan, give challan because I am not wearing the helmet. I have opportunity. I can go through this way. There is another street where I can escape. But still I went in front of him and I surrendered himself and told that, sir, I don't carry helmet, so you can have a challan. So that is called as probity. I know that the challan is going to come. I know some problem might face, but still if I am honest, it is called as probity, as I told you earlier. So we have to connect with our own examples. We have to connect our life. You have to tell in your example, in your answer that I faced this, but still I am like this. So evaluator will think that, oh, this person is very good at ethics. Strategy number 3, try to use anecdotes about great souls like anecdote of Abraham Lincoln, anecdote of Martin Luther king or anecdote of our own Mahatma Gandhi, how they did. For example, teacher, when a district education officer came to the school, the teacher, he was unable to answer the questions. Then the teacher tried to help the student, help the Mahatma Gandhi, but Mahatma Gandhi rejected it. Mahatma Gandhi rejected it. So this type of examples. Teacher is telling, but he rejected because he need to be ethically strong. A woman came with the son and the son is eating jaggery. Asked the Mahatma Gandhi, please you tell Mahatma Gandhi, he will listen to you. But Mahatma Gandhi told, come after 1 week. Then the lady went out and thought for just to tell not to eat jaggery, why he told to wait for 1 week. After 1 week, the lady came back and the lady asked Mahatma Gandhi. Then Mahatma Gandhi told, beta, don't eat jaggery. Then the lady asked, for this small sentence, why you took 1 week, sir? Then Mahatma Gandhi told that, I also have the habit of eating jaggery. But before I tell to someone, I have to follow it. Before I advise someone, I have to put it into action. So first I put it into action for 1 week, then I got qualification to advise to other person, so advise to your son. In this way, we have to take some examples and we have to prove how we have to be, how the words are, how the meanings can be understood in a better way. Fourth strategy, create hypothetical scenario like I created helmet. So in this way you have to prove, some way you have to prove to the evaluator that your answers are ethically strong and you are also ethically strong. In that way you have to put the strategy. So strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3, strategy 4 I am going to follow. So before that I made some points to remember. Number 1, when you are writing an answer, take some role models. Like Ashok Kemka you can take, or Shankaran IAS you can take. So Durga Nagpal you can take some examples. Take few role models and put it in every answer. One role model for one answer. Number 2, abstract. There will be abstract questions like what is happiness to you? Abstract. So for me happiness in private life is this, for me happiness in public life is like this. So in that way you have to detail, you have to remove that dilemma. Number 3, in your answers you have to show sympathy, in your answer you have to show empathy, in your answers you have to show compassionate, as if you are very much empathetic in nature. Yes, that is very good nature. In your answer you have to express it. Bear in mind that you are not just a public servant, but you are also a colleague to your subordinates. So behave with your subordinates as if you are not the boss. That attitude also should come out in your answers. Why? Because such type of question compulsory there will be there. So these are the points which you have to remember. Always be gender neutral. Don't be aggressive towards another gender. Don't be patriarchal in nature. Don't maintain that woman is this, men is. Don't have such sort of attitude while writing your answer. Be, how much ever possible, be gender neutral. Points to be remembered. Ethics paper will be compulsory unpredictable. 2022 ethics paper was very much unpredictable, very lengthy. People had a shock, ethical shock. Unpredictable question paper will be there with respect to ethics. Completely new type of questions. Don't get shocked. Remember that it is a new type of questions, not only to you, to everyone. So in examination hall, you have to remember it, and for that you should have a preparation from now onwards. And I am the person who is going to take care about ethics. I am the single faculty will be taking care about your ethics, theoretical part as well as case studies part. Well worked content, high quality, enriched content you will be provided with the class notes, with the PDF material will be provided to you. The best in industry you will be getting with respect to ethics content. It's very tough for me, for example, to write ethics answers in a short. It will be very, very tough. For you also, the answer will go on, but you have to remember that for 10 marker, you should write only 2 pages. So that can happen by daily answer writing practice. We are going to provide daily answer writing practice on ethics also. The last, but not the least, remember, ethics is a simple paper. How much may be unpredictable, but you remember in your mind that ethics is a simple paper. Why? Because he is testing your ethics, and if you are ethics, your answer will be honest. Hence, your answer is honest means you are ethically correct. Question paper is simple. Don't complicate it. Don't make it mess up. Be simple. Listen the classes. Have a proper understanding of each terminology in the syllabus. Do answer writing practice. We are conducting 4 ethics tests, 3 essay tests, 2 governances. Overall 9 tests will be the part of it. By January 31st, the syllabus will be completed, ethics, essay and governance. Ethics, essay, we are providing. Governance classes will be provided to you freely. So one more thing I want to tell you, will be getting market. In market you will be getting some philosophies, world philosophers, Indian philosophers, their thought process you will be getting. So don't try to read all these things. Important only. I'm not criticizing any material which is available, but don't go too much into it. Just understand how much can be useful. So get guidance under any mentor or any person who had experience in ethics, and how to use these philosophies in your answer. They will not ask about the philosophies like what is communism, what is capitalism, what is Kant model. They are not going to ask this. So in your answers, how you are using is very important. So the philosophies is all about application of philosophy. The philosophies is all about application of philosophy. Again, this is purely my personal opinion I am telling you. So don't run behind the philosophies. Try to add those philosophies into your answers. I am telling you, ethics is all about answer writing. After optional, the next paper which need to be rigorously practiced is ethics paper. And the most neglected paper is ethics and essay, and this is the course which will be helpful to you. So what we are going to provide in this 3 free ethics classes for every session, for every course, we will be providing the free 3 classes. So for this program also, you are being provided with 3 free ethics classes. The link is provided in the description in our Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel. There you will get the Zoom link. You can click it there and you can get the link. 9 tests will be conducted, 4 for ethics, 3 for essay and 2 for governance. High rated classroom, very good content, PDF content you will be provided with, and 1 year validity of this ethics classes will be there with recorded videos. So tomorrow you are going to have the free ethics class, whereby I will be discussing about important things to keep in mind while you are preparing for ethics paper, and case studies, how to solve the case studies. I made 10 points. How to solve the case studies, I made into 10 points. In this way, I will be entering into the subject from tomorrow onwards. The class timings will be from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.